The Happy Day of the Little Bears. The forest was quiet at night. The moon peeked over the treetops, and a soft breeze rustled the leaves. All was still, except in a cozy bear den at the foot of the hill. Little Bear Benny's two best friends were having a sleepover. His chubby buddy Toby and tall friend Max were snuggled up in sleeping bags made of leaves and moss. "Tomorrow," Benny whispered, "let's do something amazing." "What is it?" Toby yawned. "An adventure! Let's go fishing!" Benny smiled. The next morning, sunlight streamed into the forest. Birds were singing, and the dewdrops on the leaves sparkled. The three little bears marched toward the river, singing their Bear Adventure song. The riverside was beautiful. Sunlight shimmered, dragonflies danced, and little frogs hopped about. "This is the spot," Benny declared. "But we don't have fishing rods," said Toby. "Let's use sticks," said Benny. "We'll use berries as bait." They tied berries to the branches with grass string and dipped them into the water. They waited and waited, but nothing bit. "My tummy's growling," grumbled Toby. "Maybe the fish are on holiday," Max chuckled. "Let's go swimming," Benny shouted, and splash, he jumped in. Soon the three little bears were splashing, floating, and laughing in the river. "Now I'm even hungrier." Toby climbed out, his tummy growling louder. Just then, Max pointed up. "Look!" A beehive hung high on a tree branch. Golden honey dripped down, glistening in the sun. "Wow, honey," said Toby. "Let's get some." Benny's eyes sparkled. They climbed the tree. Benny gently dipped his paw into the honey. Bzzz! The bees were not happy. "Run!" shouted Toby. The three bears tumbled down the tree and dashed through the woods, a buzzing cloud of angry bees chasing after them. "This way," Max called. They jumped into the river and held their breath. The buzzing slowly faded. The three little bears climbed out, dripping wet. "Phew, that was close," Toby panted, collapsing on the ground. "I still got a lick of honey." Benny grinned, holding up his sticky paw. The bears dragged their tired but happy feet home. "Did you catch any fish?" Mama Bear asked. "No fish," said Max. "But we swam, ran from bees and got a little honey," Toby grinned. Come in, the soup is ready and there's fresh berries on the table," Mama laughed. That night, the three little bears curled up again in their warm sleeping bags. Benny's red scarf still smelled like river water and a little bit of honey. He closed his eyes and whispered, "What a fun day." Thank you for listening to The Happy Day of the Little Bears. Don't forget to subscribe for more gentle bedtime stories. Good night, little ones.